Take a ride in the 2017 Jeep Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, 8 speakers, CD player, power locks, security alarm, fog lights, electronic stability control, compass, power convenience group, trip computer, brake assist, remote keyless entry, tachometer, driver vanity mirror. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.